Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video will be super helpful video guys if you need to remove or replace front differential guys on Porsche Cayenne, Audi Q7 or Volkswagen Touareg guys. All these three vehicles use the same platform. Many of the parts are interchangeable. For instance, okay, that same differential has been used in Porsche, Volkswagen and Audi as well. That Porsche uses a Volkswagen differential, that's right. All of them are built by that VW group guys. So let me guys tell you a little bit about us. We will explain how to do that today. If you need to buy any parts or tools, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Number two, every single car we get at the shop, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So we just removed the old one out. We'll be about to go ahead and install the new one. We'll show you how to do that. When they go out, those things develop noise guys. Okay, terrible front end noise, that's annoying. And we have a video that explains how to diagnose if actually your differential is bad. And ours is shot. The bearing inside, one of the bearing is completely shot guys. It's super loud, super noisy, super grinding when you drive, even though we've driven it quite a long time. So that's it guys. We'll go ahead, start on it and show you what needs to be done. How we did it by dropping the subframe. We'll explain what you need to do and how you can do it at home, as you can see. So now for the front differential guys, we removed our sway bar. You don't have to remove it. All you have to do, remove that bolt right here guys. Next we'll need to remove each of the bolts, okay, on the control arm where the strut attaches to. We spray them with that penetrating spray. That spray is amazing guys, okay, amazing spray. Spray them overnight, let them stay and everything will come loose really nice and easy. So this bolt here, we removed the sway bar bolt, I already told you. We removed guys the 6 bolts that hold the front CV axle to the differential. That's what they look like. So we removed them. The two, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Now we did exactly the same thing on the passenger side. Everything the same so far. And then guys, okay, let me show you, okay, what else we're doing here. This is, you can see the differential. You will need to drain your fluid guys. Okay, drain your fluid, get your differential fluid out. You need to come and disconnect the drive shaft. Front drive shaft coming from the transfer case. Okay, 6 bolts that you need to remove. That's the 2, okay, that we'll be using. And again, I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Next guys, okay, with that being said, we need to do a little bit more work. You have some coolant lines and we'll need to disconnect, okay, the steering wheel. Okay, steering wheel, you will need to turn, okay, the steering, okay, to the, okay, let's see, to the left a little bit. And that's the steering knuckle right there. You need to remove that plate. There is 2 10mm bolts and there is 1 bolt for the steering wheel, okay, that goes to the rack and pinion that you need to disconnect, okay, so the rack and pinion can come down. After that you have a few coolant lines, okay, that you need to get loose. Okay, and the bracket is right here. This is one of the bracket, okay, that's towards the driver suspension. You can see right here. Otherwise, okay, you will damage it guys. And let me see, yeah, that bracket here we need to remove. We might be able to actually, I don't know, this nut, I think we'll leave it. You will have another bracket or a zip tie, okay, right here holding the lines. Disconnect that one as well. Once we do that guys, okay, we will so far we will start removing the suspension bolts, okay, but we will show you when we're to that point what else we need to do. Okay guys, so we removed that plate as well. This plate is the one that holds the engine splash shield. We removed that thermal shield plate as well. That's on the differential. We removed that one. We unhooked the hose guys, okay, right here. Okay, let me just fix, okay, perfect. My microphone, okay, we removed the power steering hose. Okay, from there is one bracket that holds to the AC compressor. Okay, right here you can see, so we can gain a little bit more room that way as well. So other than that, we just supported the frame, okay, the subframe, the front subframe with jacks, and we let it down, okay, a little bit on each side, And after that, practically, guys, okay, we will be ready to come out. That thing is heavy. Okay, we'll be coming on the back side right here. I think it will come out easy. And you can see that's the whole assembly, guys. Okay, right here. We have a video, we'll take it apart and show you what wears out in this, but it did come out. We had a problem with the front drive shaft that attaches to here. We had to spray some penetrating spray because there was rust and it was stuck. But once that worked out, you can see the subframe is hanging now. Make sure you support it on the driver's side because you have hoses there that you don't want to damage, guys. So it comes out. Practically putting it together, it will be in reverse order that we took it apart. It's quite a bit of work, but if you're just doing that job yourself, 2 people can probably do it in about 4 hours. Okay, without doing it for the first time. That's what it would take us probably to do it all the way without any problems. Probably if you know what you're doing, 2 people can do it, to be honest with you, in about 3 hours, no problem. So that's it, guys. That's how we remove front differential on Porsche Cayenne, Audi Q7 or Volkswagen Touareg. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you having that problem. Always inspect your bushings if you're rebuilding yours, because that will be the time. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.